If your goal is to make some extra cash, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to make money online, make money offline, or make some extra income from home, we've got you covered with this mega list of easy money making ideas. Number 1. Open a new bank account. Opening a new bank account from home is a super easy way to make passive income on your money by simply making a deposit. In order to maximize your earnings, look for a high-yield savings account or a checking account that offers a cash bonus when you complete qualifying activities. Earn up to $800 when you open a new U.S. bank smartly checking and standard savings account online and complete qualifying activities, subject to certain terms and limitations. Offer valid through December 29, 2023. Member FDIC. Offer may not be available if you live outside of the U.S. bank footprint. Number 2. Sign up for a new credit card. Many credit cards offer customers a lucrative welcome offer when they get approved for a new card and meet a spending threshold. Make sure to apply for a card that fits your individual needs and spending profile. For example, if you're someone who wants to be rewarded for everyday purchases like gas and groceries, look into a cashback card. If you're a wanderlust and constantly searching for your next adventure or happen to travel often for work, look into a travel credit card. Number 3. Use a budgeting app. Although this won't exactly make extra money, using a budgeting app is one of the surest ways to stabilize your financial future. Setting a budget to track your spending and saving may seem like a daunting task to many. But luckily there are many mobile apps, so you're not starting from scratch. One of the top budgeting apps available is Rocket Money because aside from the budgeting basics, it also finds unused subscriptions and the concierge offers to cancel them on your behalf. Plus it can help negotiate your recurring bills and request refunds for certain fees. Number 4. Rent out your home. Do you have an unused bedroom in your home? Or do you travel often and leave your entire house empty? If so, you can make easy money by renting your space on Airbnb or VRBO. These peer-to-peer home rental platforms have exploded in popularity, especially since the pandemic, and enable any homeowner to instantly connect with travelers in need. Some Airbnb hosts even boast an extra $30,000 per year. Number 5. Start your own store. If you enjoy crafting or purchased a Cricut during COVID-19 like I did, it's time to turn your hobbies into hustles. And no, we're not talking about setting up a tent at your local craft fair. Online retailers like Etsy, Poshmark, and Amazon provide straightforward platforms to create your own worldwide marketplace and connect with your target audience. You can start simple with printed clothing, jewelry, or even digital templates and grow from there. Maybe you're not crafty, but your house seems to be a bit overrun with stuff. Skip the garage sale. eBay and Facebook Marketplace are easy-to-use options to resell your goods to the world. It's time to clean out the basement and start earning money on your clutter. Number 6. Host a yard sale. If starting your own online store seems a bit daunting, that's okay. 2. Declutter your home and make money by hosting a good old-fashioned yard sale. A yard sale requires a little bit of prep to gather the goods, price them fairly, and promote the date to the public. If you live in a neighborhood, talk to the neighbors to see if you can all join forces and host sales on the same date to lure even more buyers. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.